I'm Usama, and today we're breaking down our skeleton in the simplest way possible. Without our skeleton, our body wouldn't stand. It collapsed to the ground like a lifeless piece of cloth. Breaking skeleton system into two major parts. That's right, I'm talking about the axial and the appendicular skeleton. It might sound a bit technical, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll see your own body in a whole new way. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the axial skeleton. Think of the word axis, like the axis of the earth. It's the central line everything revolves around. Our axial skeleton is exactly that. It's the core of our body. It includes our skull, which protects our brain, our vertebral column or our spine, which houses the spinal cord, and our thoracic cage, which is made up of our ribs and sternum, guarding our heart and lungs. So the skull isn't just one bone. It's a complex structure made of 22 bones, out of which 14 facial and 8 skull bones, that protect our brain and form our face. Below skull, a single U-shaped bone called hyoid bone found in our neck on which thyroid gland present. Then we have the vertebral column, our backbone. It's not a single rigid rod. It's made of 33 individual bones from neck to hips called vertebrae, which gives you flexibility to bend and twist while providing incredible support. As it is of 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 5 sacral vertebrae, 4 fused coccyx vertebrae. And finally, the thoracic cage, with your sternum in the front and 12 pairs of ribs wrapping around. Out of these 12 pair, 1 to 7 pairs are called true vertebrae, 8 to 10 pairs are called false vertebrae, and 11 and 12 pair is called floating ribs. This bony cage is crucial for protecting our vital organs. Altogether, these 80 bones make up our axial skeleton, the central pillar of your body. Now, let's move on to the fun part. The appendicular skeleton. The word appendage means something that's attached to a larger body. Our arms and legs are our appendages, and the bones within them, plus the bones that attach them to our core, make up the appendicular skeleton. This part of our skeleton is all about movement. Let's start with our upper limbs. We have the pectoral girdle, which consists of our clavicles, or collarbones, and our scapulae, our shoulder blades. These connect our arms to our axial skeleton. Then we have the humerus in our upper arm, the radius and ulna in our forearm, and 8 small carpal bones in our wrist, 5 metacarpals in our hand, and 14 phalanges in our fingers. That's a lot of bones just to let us wave, write, and give a thumbs up. And what about our lower limbs? It's a similar setup. The pelvic girdle, or our hip bones, is a strong, basin-shaped structure that attaches our legs to our axial skeleton and supports our lower organs. Then comes the femur, the longest and strongest bone in our body, located in our thigh. Below the knee, we have the tibia and fibula, a bone called patella, present on the knee as kneecap. And just like our hand, our foot is a complex collection of 8 tarsal bones in our ankle, 5 metatarsals in our foot, and 13 phalanges in our toes. All these bones are designed for locomotion, walking, running, jumping, you name it. In total, the appendicular skeleton contains 126 bones dedicated to helping you interact with and move through your world. So to recap, your skeleton is divided into 2 main parts. The axial skeleton is our central core, skull, spine, and rib cage, providing protection and support. The appendicular skeleton is everything else. Our arms, legs, shoulders, and hips, designed for movement and interaction. Together, these 206 bones work in perfect harmony, giving us structure, protecting our organs, and allowing us to do everything we love to do. Isn't that incredible? I hope this helped you understand the blueprint of your own body a little better. Now we see why our skeleton is the backbone of our life, literally. Next, we'll dive into the muscles that make every movement possible. If you want to keep uncovering our body's secrets, subscribe now and join thousands of curious minds who never stop learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, signing off, Usama Hafeez.